Hey guys, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be a rather interesting system test, which the 270 SPO is not the reason. You'll see it's actually the final device over my window. And also interesting, but we're joined by
kstfirealarms and Northern Fire Safety.
Alright, so, KST Fire Alarms was with me on my most popular video, so maybe this will be the more popular one. Maybe you just got the luck. I don't know.
Yeah.
So as you can see, we have my 270 SPO. We have my Wheelock RSS on 15 Candela. And over here, the interesting device, we have my Roshni sounder on swept frequency. It's on the German tone. And I will cut the clip a little bit later on and switch it to a random tone. Because why not, right? So, let's pull the fire alarm. But don't do this in real buildings, because you can technically blame me and I'd get arrested for that. Anyway, let's pull it. Alright, so I'm going to cut the clip for a second and change the tone. Alright, so I'm back. I changed the tone. And I'm going to change it one more time after this too. There's going to be a long video, by the way. So, and stick around to the end if you want to see this thing being unboxed. And if you don't, you should still stick around. But anyway, let's pull this again. Okay, now the next time I activate it, I'll be doing the smoke detector, but I have to cut the clip now. Okay, so now I'm back, and we have it on another random tone. So I accidentally reset the system, so I had to let the smoke detector get ready. That's annoying. Okay, so in the meantime, there's a Roshni. Because why not, right? But no, I literally just got this in the mail today. It's a nice day. It's hot. I know it's hot because I was out there. But no, I literally just got the Roshni in the mail today. So, yeah. Basically making sure it works and testing it for you guys. Let's see if it's ready. I think it might be ready. It's ready. Okay. Now we get to test the random tone. Alright, ready? 3, 2, and 1. It's like a code 3. Alright, so I think that's everything for this part of the video. So stick around for the unboxing. Let's do this thing. Hey guys, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is a little bit of a different video. As you can see, we have a box and some scissors, so I think you know what this means. So let's get this box open, maybe. So it looks like I need to just cut this. Alright. Oh, and I'm destroying the box. Oh well. So, we have some, bubble wrap. This isn't the... Oh, there we go. We have some paper. And we have a box, right? And inside this box is something I've been wanting for a long time. We got ourselves a Roshni sounder, finally. Here is what it looks like. And then it comes with the instructions and everything right here. These are meant for European systems, obviously. Let's see. We have our tones and everything, the whole information sheet. We have some screws and the back plate for it. So it goes like, I don't know how it goes. Actually, I don't know. But it goes on like that, I guess. So yeah, I have myself a Roshni sounder finally. I'm just wanting this to be a short video, by the way. I'm not trying to make this super long. But yeah, let's see. So I think it can just kind of slide in anywhere. So yeah, that's a Roshni sounder now. So, you guys will be seeing this tested coming up relatively soon. So yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching this short little video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.